Hello, my ballerinas. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me in our ballet class today, caregivers and parents. This ballet class is based on the Canadian Dance Teachers Association Grade 2 syllabus. Now, when we talk about syllabus, that does not mean equivalent to grade 2 in school. Actually, usually it's quite a few grades above where they would be in school. So this is an excellent, I'm going to pare it down a little bit, so this is an excellent basic beginner ballet class. It's good for adults who've never done ballet or want to work on some core training. We're going to do some fundamental barre in this class. So kids, you can grab a chair. You can hold on to a wall. I stole this barre from the studio and brought it to my living room. So we are going to start off with plie. I'm going to give you little hints too about terminology as we go along. So plie means to bend. So plie warms up all of the muscles. So we want to start with our feet in ballet first position, heels together, toes apart, shoulders nicely back, rib cage closed, abdominals lifted, and we're going to start with our arms in barre. Relax your fingers so you feel like water could just drip down your arms. Here we go with our plie. Prepare to first, open to second on the barre. Plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch. Rise up. Squeeze. And plie and stretch. Plie and stretch. Dégagez à la seconde. Press those toes all the way. And place. Plie and stretch. Arm to first, open to second. Rise up. Squeeze your thighs together. Plie and stretch. Plie and stretch. Transfer your weight. Close in third position. Plie and stretch. Arm to first, open to second. Squeeze and rise up. Squeeze those thighs back together. Plie and stretch. Plie and stretch. Dégagez à la seconde. Close to first. Rise up in first. Feel all 10 toes on the ground. Watch that we're not leaning forward. Drop your tailbone. Lift your abdominals. Shoulders down. Feel yourself balance there. If you can, take your hand off of your chair or the barre. Grow. Squeeze. Good. Now some things to think about on that exercise. If you were looking at me sideways, I'm not chin poking. I want to make sure I bring my chin, ears in line with the shoulders, that I'm dropping my tailbone, that I'm pulling my abdominals up, that I'm closing my rib cage, and that my knees are always going over the center of my foot. So I don't want to have this look. Definitely don't want to have this look. And this is not something you will get in a day, right? We're always working to take this muscle and wrap it around these muscles and pull up. We are going to go on to battement tendu. Right foot in front in third position. I also like to show the arms going to first, opening to second. It shows you a nice position to place that hand on the barre. And my dancers know that we never grip the bar. The bar is a reassurance. The bar is there just if you need it. It should never be gripped. The thumb should never encircle the bar. We really just want a super light touch on the bar. Battement. Press and close to the side and close. Derriere and close. À la cinquante and close. Entendu. Plie and close. À la cinquante and close. Derriere and close. À la cinquante and close. Now you can pause this video, rewind it, and do it on the left. Preparation for sur le coup de pied. Tendu. Pick it up in the front. Stretch. Close. Second side. Pick it up. Tendu. Close. Tendu. Derriere. Stretch. Close. Tendu. Derriere. Stretch. Close. So in that exercise, we have the nice push of the battement tendu. We want to be careful that we're not sickling our feet. So when we have that beautiful point of the tendu, we want to lock that ankle in that shape. The action comes then from the knee. Don't change the shape of that foot. The baby toe touches the ankle bone devant, and derriere, as we lift up, not changing the shape, the heel connects with the base of the calf. So you can see me from different angles. The heel connects with the base of the calf, and then devant, the baby toe is in connection. So we don't have this look, that's a sickle. Press that ankle forward. It's a very, very hard position to achieve, but it is a necessary thing for the children to understand as we go forward to more complicated allegro movements in the future. We are moving on. Our next exercise is battement dégagé. I'm just gonna have you pause the music for a minute, Mr. Jim. So battement dégagé, dégagé to disengage. It is a very strong emphasis on the brush out and a hold. I tease the kids, right kids? You know this as I'm teaching battement dégagé. It's almost like you punch somebody and you stop because you know that you would never do that. But you contract all the muscles and make it freeze. So when I battement dégagé, I want to press and I want to feel like I just hit a brick wall and freeze. And I have what I call that Instagram moment where we're just going to catch you in that position and touch and close. And à la seconde, catch you in that position and touch and close. Okay, so battement dégagé. Hit, touch and close. Hit, touch and close. 2 seconds. Touch and close. Hit, touch and close. Derriere. Touch and close. Hit, touch and close. Second. Touch and close to the second. Touch and close. Again, I want you to turn around and I want you to do that at home with the other foot. Rond de jambe à terre. We're going to start rond de jambe à terre in first position. This is to work the turnout muscles. So we want to be pressing forward as we do this movement. We're going to pause in a couple of positions to check our balance and that we're doing it correctly. Rise up tendu à la seconde. Take it derrière. Keep that turnout. Pull in, find that heel matching, plie, and stretch. Derrière. Press. Bring it around. Show me that second. Drop the toes, drop the heel. Find that rise. Squeeze. Press to second. Bring it to fourth. Into first. Plie. Stretch. Rise up. Again, find your balance like we did in our plies. Good. Lovely. And again, you're going to rewind this. You're going to do it on the left side so you're not all lopsided like Miss Robyn is today. So dancers, we do want to make sure now that we're a little bit warmed up that we do some nice easy stretches. So we're going to go into our flat back and relax down, relax your head, breathe, and come all the way back up. Turn your feet out. We're going to reach, go all the way down, breathe, relax, and come all the way back up. We may want to take our feet parallel at this point. Lift one foot up, pull your abdominals up, press your iliopsoas forward. Think of dropping that knee down. Think of growing tall without splaying in your upper body. And just feel that. Good. We're going to do that on the other side. Pick that up. Good. Again, feel the drop in there. Press your abdominals up. Good. I'm going to turn back around this way. Plie. Put your heel forward. Now this time I am going to let you stick your bum out and press forward. So this is your nice angle. So you're getting a nice stretch in through here and change. We're here. Press forward. Deepen. There you go. You feel that. Now we should be nice and warmed up. Little stretch. We're going to go into our grand battement. Now grand battement at this level, we're just going to control it to 90 degrees and take it down. It's about building on the battement tendu. So the battement tendu, the battement dégagé, and the grand battement. We're looking for a nice line devant. We're looking for a nice turnout à la seconde. And we're looking for a nice line derrière. It's not out here. It's nicely behind you. If Miss Robyn had a bun, her leg would be right behind her. And again, we're not doing anything strange or tense with the shoulders. Everything's relaxed down. All right, so we're going to go into our grand battement. Grand means big. So we're getting bigger as we go from tendu to dégagé to grand battement. And do that on the left. We're going to face the bar now, or the chair, or your counter. We're going to do grand battement derrière. Now with the younger children and with the more beginner ballet, I do this facing the bar or the chair because we want to maintain a squareness in our shoulders and our hips. We're working on the alignment of the dégagé derrière, grand battement derrière. So when we have the girls and boys face the wall or the bar and have two hands on it, we're able to clearly see the the alignment of the shoulder has no twist. We don't want them leaning over the bar or gripping. We're not going for extreme height in this exercise. We're not doing anything out of shape with the pelvis. We're simply trying to get that nice alignment and then feel from the tendu alignment like everything is lengthening away for the grand battement. So we're going to do 4 grand battements on the right, 4 grand battements on the left, facing the bar. Stretch, lift, touch, pull. Stretch, lift, touch, feel that floor. Stretch, keep turning out. Keep growing. Change feet. Stretch, lift, touch, grow. Keep growing that leg long. Maintain the turnout on your supporting side. Last one. Stretch, lift, touch. I think my 47 might be showing. Releve is a very important exercise because releve is necessary for your dancer to go on to do the things they really want to do. Pirouettes, fouettes, a la seconde turns. They need the command of the releve built up and the muscles built up to support them on releve to do point work and other such things. So this is a really neat exercise. We're going to be doing releve in first, second, I believe in third, and then a chape releve, which means escaped releve. So a releve begins with a plie, and you want to feel like your chocolate milk getting sucked up a straw. I love chocolate milk. Does anybody else love chocolate milk? Is it just me? I love it. So we're gonna go plie, and we're gonna go up, and everything comes up. But remember, when I say everything comes up, it doesn't mean we distort the upper body. Our abdominals are up, and we're pulling our feet together and our thighs together, and we're finding that nice. And as we come out of the releve, we go back into our plie. Okay, so we're going to do our releve exercise. Here we go. That was our barre for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Dance it, practice it, do it over and over again. Love you, dancers. Hope to see you soon.